Do you know how many carbs are in a cup of white rice? More than 40. And when you have diabetes and are trying to control your blood sugar or lose weight, that can be a huge problem. But don't worry, because I've got the solution for you. A delicious cauliflower rice. The perfect substitute that even your kids won't realize isn't real rice.
For this recipe, you need 4 cups of grated cauliflower, 1 cup of pre-cooked veggies. It can be a mixed blend. I buy the frozen ones. A 1/4 cup of chopped onion, 1/2 teaspoon of finely minced garlic, 1.5 tablespoons of butter, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to heat up the pot. Once the pot is nice and hot, we add the butter over medium heat, let it melt, and once it's melted, we add the onion and then the garlic. We're going to keep stirring until the onion and garlic are lightly sauteed, and then we add the grated cauliflower. Mix everything really well and let it cook for about 4 minutes, stirring every now and then. After this, very important, the vegetables need to be thawed already, or you can add canned ones. We mix again, and for another 4 minutes, we keep stirring until those veggies are nice and soft, just like the cauliflower. We leave it all uncovered so the water the cauliflower releases evaporates, and this gets the consistency of rice.
Remember that my recipes are for people with diabetes, high blood pressure, cholesterol, looking to lose weight, and the whole family can eat them. It's not like you have to cook one thing for some and something else for others. Everyone eats the same thing because it's important for our kids to learn to eat healthy from a young age. Subscribe to Las Recetas de Laura, and every week I have new recipes for you. And at lasrecetasdelaura.com, you can find all my recipes. I'll also leave the link to my cookbook right here in case you want to buy it. Shipping to all of Mexico and the United States.